모모야! 응?
Who dares to disturb the Alpha while I'm in the middle of formulating the perfect plan to destroy that treacherous, vile, despicable cat clan? Can't you see I'm in the middle of doing something? You want to see my drawings? Well, be warned, they're not that good. But I guess. Here. Oh, right. My bad. I forgot that a normie like you wouldn't understand wolfish. Allow me. First, I take some plants, and then I harvest the dirt from the evergreen forest. Then, using the powers of the full moon, my eyes will glow red and create the perfect potion for defeating the Cat Clan and their leader, Marissa, once and for all. No, Mr. Miller, I'm not causing a disturbance. I'm simply having my afternoon wolf snack. Let me cook. Perhaps you can provide me with an opinion. Last week, the leader of that wretched cat clan, Marissa, decided she wanted to step on the Alpha's paws by attempting to ask out my beloved Jake. However, our allies in the vampire clan and their leader, Corey, swooped in and bit her before she could. However, this means I need to act on my natural wolf instincts before it's too late. First, I will have my potion makers create an irresistible aroma made of grass, dirt, and wildflowers for me to wear. Then, when I'm finally asking Jake if he wants to be my co-alpha, my warriors will proudly defend me from any of those kittens' attacks. Don't worry, Jake. Your alpha is coming to save you. Soon, we will be united in our love. Who goes there? Can't you see that this territory belongs to the almighty Shadow River Raven clan, and I'm the Alpha, Moonlight Shadow Raven Eclipse. So, why doth thou set footed with thine grubby little toes into my forest? You lost your basketball, did you? Well, I didn't see anything, and if I did, I definitely wouldn't have taken it to build my wolfy home. Then, I'm not like those other wolves. I merely live off the natural supply of the forest. But say, it's been a while since I've had any visitors. Would you like to accompany me to afternoon wolf tea? No, then perish.
Racquetball! Racquetball! Here. Fuck. Fire! Fuck!
What does it look like I'm doing? Do you even know who I am? My name is Twilight Raven, Moonlight Eclipse, Alpha of the Shadow River clan. And I'm busy foraging nature's natural bounties for a feast. Why, you ask? Well, clearly you've heard of the almighty wolf clan. But have you heard the tale of that stinky, slimy, slithering cat clan and their leader, Marissa? Well, let it go down in history, I say, that the almighty wolf clan, led by their alpha, me, successfully defeated them. So, Want to join? No. Well, if you're not with us, you're an enemy. My eyes glow red. I'm not saying you don't understand what I do. It's just, it's complicated and it needs to get done. So I just... thanks for the wolf snack! Thanks for the wolf snack! My eyes turn green at the sight of the full moon! My eyes turn green at the thanks for the wolf snack! Marissa, what are you doing?